What's going on, everybody? We're gonna go ahead and start this video because I got something new for the full bolt-on Supra. If you guys know or may not know, it's a full bolt-on Supra, so it's literally just charge pipes, intake, downpipe, exhaust. I just changed the exhaust to the Megan Racing. If you guys want to see that, go ahead and check my other videos. And yeah, let's get started on this, guys. So pretty much I got titanium charge pipes because it's got to match with my blue caps right here. Pretty much I got to take this off. Pretty much all this whole box has to come off. The intake, the sensor, this has to come off as well. And I gotta get a couple sensors under here. I'll try my best to do a step-by-step. I'm not really into the DIY stuff, but I used to be, so we'll see if I get the step-by-step. I'm really gonna show taking this intake off because you guys are probably have stock intakes or whatever. And if you do have this intake, you probably already have charge pipes. So yeah, let me just knock this out real quick and then I'll get to you guys for the charge pipe section. All right, guys, so taking this apart, I noticed the coupler right here was completely off, and you guys see the gunk and stuff. So I don't know, it was just completely off. Yeah, look at that, that's crazy. Turbo's in great shape. All right, guys, so to take this pipe off, obviously you want to loosen up the couplers, but you see this little ring right here, the little snap ring right here. Then you're gonna have to pop that off. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna pop that off, but we'll see. I gotta clean this. This thing's gross. All right, guys, so I literally did this by hand. You don't really need any plier or anything like that. Just find the tip. You're gonna be able to find this little tip right here and just yank one side, then it will all just come out. Yank one side and feel for it right here, and then yank it like that. Obviously you don't want to yank one side too open. I don't know how tedious this is, but we make these at work anyway, so if I were to screw it up, I'm not gonna reuse this. Obviously my new one comes with this, so we'll be good, but you know, worst case. But I'm gonna take these sensors off first. That's what I'm gonna do first. Take these sensors off so I won't rip any wiring or nothing like that, obviously, but pretty much you could just press it down, pull. That's what it was meant for, I assume. Press it down. The plug right here is not working out, so there's a screw right there. I'm just gonna take it out by the screw. And then this is a 10 mil right there, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that one off. Back it off a little bit. I'm probably gonna split the pipe as well, so it'll be easier to pop off. I don't gotta show you guys this, but hey, time lapse starts now. Guys, you can see this moved a lot, so just pull this out. This seal you're gonna reuse on your OEM one. You're gonna reuse this seal, so don't throw it out. Let me just pop this bolt. That's the bolt I'm talking about right there. That's the plug right there, and that's the little bolt back there. Let me pop it off real quick so I won't pull on the harness. It's weird, man, because this has like oil on the outside and none at all on the inside. Like none. So I'm like, what the hell is going on here? But hey, we got the first one out. Let's get the second one out. Turn that flash on for you guys. Should just, there it is. I'll get that later, guys, don't worry. Yeah, this thing's just fucked. Hi fam, it's all out obviously. I'm gonna clean these up, get them ready to sell, and wait for my new charge pipes to come in, but I'm gonna clean up the bottom too, the front. Alrighty fam, I cleaned up these pipes. I didn't know, he just never took the sticker off for these things right here. I thought it was lifting, but it wasn't. He just never took the sticker off, so I did. It does have a little scuff right here. Obviously that's hidden. This is hidden. Probably when he was working on the car, he hit it. But no damage, like, you know, still hold the boost and all that, no leaks. So let me know if you guys want these. I will give it with the coupler, the new ring. I'm not sure about the gasket yet. We'll have to see if my new one comes with gaskets. But other than that, oh, obviously this ring goes here, the coupler, the other thing, two pipes, obviously, the bolts. Let's open this together. And I forgot his company name, but this is literally me looking at it first right here. Okay, so cool. You guys are gonna get literally this pretty much, but for your own. Got it in 3D mode, guys. Sorry about that. Let's go ahead and take this out. Oh yeah. So that's the company right there, JDM Dream Co. Guys, look at those welds, man. The welds are nice. Excuse me, I was about to burp. I know the quality sucks, guys, in this mode, but have to do it to get the whole thing in. But yeah, fire. Look at that quality, guys. Like I said, sorry for going in and out. Just I want you guys to get the whole thing. That quality is nuts, fam. And here it is one last time, guys. Sorry for the fingerprints on them. JDM Dream Co. on IG. That's their IG. I'll put a little picture right here. Here you go. Clean welds to titanium, guys. Can't even beat it, man. Clean welds right here as well, all around. And then this is the other pipe, lower pipe right here. Dang, I'm hyped. All right, let's get these on. I'm gonna go ahead and put the sensor in first. Sensor, this one's gonna go in last since it's still on the car. All right, and then next, put the rubber on here. Let's get this on. So obviously we're gonna work backwards. I'm gonna go ahead and do a time lapse. So alright, that's on. Now to work on the bottom, pretty much. The bottom I can't get, I don't think, because my tripod's very flimsy. So I'm gonna just show you guys what I'm gonna do. You see the pipe, it's already pretty much on it. So I'm gonna just go ahead and lead it in there, get it collapsed in there, and put the fitting thing in there, and that's it. That's pretty much it. Then I'll tighten that one, and I gotta put my intake on, and not too bad. All right, fam, so I had to start over. Pretty much, you wanna get this last pipe, I mean, get it all together, just don't put this one on. Make this snug enough where it won't move that much. Then you wanna get your bottom pipe down first, because that little clamp right there, it's gotta go in. And unfortunately, I put this side on first. It was too short still. I try to pull that, but there's no room because literally it sits on the turbo. So put this pipe on first. Please, guys, do it first. Then do this pipe. Put your sensors on last. Just put that on last. And now it's all good now. I just gotta tighten the couplers. Put my filter back on and put these 210s. That's pretty much it. All right, guys, it's all on. I'm just gonna start the car, make sure I get no check engine, because he said this doesn't give you any check engines. They're custom made, so you never know. Let me close the door actually, because this thing's loud. Cool beans. Gotta give it a little time though, because you know that check engine be coming late. Give me a couple seconds. Quick and easy install, guys. Only hard part, what I recommend is you put the whole pipe together, right? And then you put it on the car. Because what I did was I tried to put the first pipe on, which is the one that connects to the throttle body, and then put the second one on. No room. I'm not saying it's not gonna fully work out, but it's more of a difficult way. So what I did was put the whole pipe together, finagle it through, hit the first pipe, the bottom pipe, I put that one on the turbo first, then I adjusted my second pipe, tightened everything up, plugged up the sensors, put my intake back on, and it was game over. Charge pipes look cool. I just got to figure out this weird smell I'm getting, man. I'm not losing any fluids. I do have an exhaust leak, but it smells crazy. So I'm not sure what's going on. I'll figure it out. We'll see. But I think that I'm going to go ahead and start renting this car out maybe. You know, it's a Supra. I feel like I'll get crazy money for renting it out daily. I want to start maybe a little business. I'm not too sure what I want to do yet. But obviously, I'll put the headlight back on if I decide to do that. I am going to start doing that with my Accord first. So I do have a 2019 Accord Sport 2.0 turbo. Those could eventually make 500 horsepower if you upgrade the turbo. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, that's my little plan. Maybe do like a little side gig for this. I know this guy out here rents slingshots for $350 a day. He's probably making a killing. So maybe even if I could get a little less than that, I'll do the Supra as well. That way I could probably do something else super fast. Maybe get into real estate or something. I don't know. I do love cars, but I love money, man. And if it can make me get to that next level, definitely will. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See ya.